come we offer the best villa collection in the Dominican Republic? Maybe it's because we also enjoy exceptional locations and design. And also lush Caribbean gardens.
Couleur de joie sur tes larmes, tous tes mots. Puisque t'en as marre de voir tous les gens souffrir. Cette notion trop simple et naïve, parvenir à vaincre une loi.
We give you the choice of the most contemporary styles. And also the tropical chic ones. Perfection on every detail. We seem to be doing it right. As our happy clients keep returning year after year. To our impeccable service, and loving care. We're here year-round just for you. Contact us anytime.